Hello everybody, this is Rollo with Winterbrose, and in this version of the pulse mode blending we're going to show you how to access the user manual for Blender. When you first open up Blender, on this little pop-up screen they have in the middle, you'll see there's a choice for the manual right here under Getting Started, and you can click that. However, if you've already gotten into Blender and that's not available, you can just go up here to the help button on the main menu, and there's the manual right there. Of course, that'll take you to the website, and we'll go ahead and show you that. Takes you to the current Blender manual, and right now we're working with 2.83. It's got a menu on the side. It's just interactive. You can go read stuff and view stuff, or if you want, you can download the whole zipped copy of this website for the reference manual by clicking this. It's quite large, so if you do that, it's like 170 some odd megs or something like that, but it gives you a local copy so that if you're want to put it on your laptop or whatever. Of course, we already showed you how to click help and manual on the main menu to get to that website, which is the link is shown here. But there's also another method. You can get the latest version of the manual, so that if you don't upgrade your Blender but you always want to see the latest version. Of course, now I'm sorry, but these are both for the English versions. Of course, you would substitute in with your own language version for Blender, but you would use this link here to, if you want to see the latest version. So let's say you have 2.83.4 and they've got up to 2.83.9 and they made some changes. You can get the latest version in this with this link right here. So here we pulled up that second link so you can see what it looks like, and you see it's similar to the other one. It tells about Blender, and it shows some stuff about Blender, introduction, how to get started. Of course, it has this interactive menu on the left too, and it shows down here. Oops, let me get off of the screen if I can get off it. Oh, I must have clicked something. Let me stop that. And you can see at the bottom screen there. Oh my goodness, it keeps. You can see at the bottom screen it says 2.83 is the version this is in English, and of course down there you can change that to whatever version you want by clicking the little drop box or up box, I guess, and you pick your language there, and you pick the what version you want to go to. You might even have an older version like 2.79, and of course you can see 2.90 is in development. So you can use this link as well as the one that comes up from the help menu to access the menu. Or the manual, excuse me. Hope you enjoyed this video presentation in pulse mode blending. Have a great day.